Well, first of all, in a personal injury case, whether it's involving a semi-tractor trailer or a car or whatever, most personal injury lawyers are the type of lawyers that handle those cases. And those lawyers typically work on a contingency fee, which means they do not get paid unless and until they get a resolution of the case. Now, those fees may vary, and they vary depending upon the lawyer involved. Some lawyers charge a smaller fee, and they have a flat fee. So maybe they charge 25%, and that 25% is no matter what happens. They always charge 25%. Other lawyers will charge a flat 40%, and so no matter what happens, they only charge 40%. Some lawyers charge, which is probably more normal, it would be a third, and then some lawyers just charge a flat third. Other lawyers charge based upon the amount of work they do. So it may start off at a third, and that's if they don't have to file a lawsuit. But if they have to file a lawsuit, then the amount of work they do goes up, and the amount of money and expenses they incur goes up. So they may go from a third to 40% or third to 37%. And then, oftentimes before a trial, if a case doesn't settle, either at a mediation or prior to trial, then the fee may go up because now the amount of work that the lawyers do is significantly increases. So that may be 40 or 45%, depending on the lawyer. Now, I would tell you and encourage you to check with different lawyers and find out what the percentages are that they charge. But you don't necessarily want to go with the most expensive, nor do you want to go with the cheapest. You want to find out whether the lawyer is qualified. And with semi-tractor trailer cases, not every lawyer is the same. They're not all equal. And so you want to make sure if you had a catastrophic injury or if you lost a loved one as a result of a semi-tractor trailer case, you want to make sure that the lawyer is qualified, has the experience, the knowledge, and the resources to handle that type of case. And I'll tell you that some of those lawyers may charge you more than some other attorney. But wouldn't you rather have an attorney who charges you more, who has the ability to handle your case and maximize your recovery, who can get you a full recovery, than someone who maybe charges you a lot cheaper, but has no intention of ever taking your case to trial, has never gone to trial, has no knowledge, experience, or expertise in this particular area. So be careful and pick the right attorney.